All right, so let's proceed to something more interesting. We got images. How about audio? Anybody want to take a guess what the name of the element for audio or sound is? Less than name of the element is audio. That's the name of the element. Now, if I say audio like that, you're not going to see anything. So you must provide certain things to it. First, you must provide controls attribute. Now, this attribute's interesting. It doesn't have an explicit value. So you can just say the name of the attribute and it would just appear. So this is like a Boolean attribute in the sense that, okay, I want audio with controls. So you can just say controls there. You don't need to have to say a value because it doesn't need a value. It's just meant to be show controls. Okay, now I can see the controls here for the audio, play button and so on, the sound volume. Now we need to tell it, like the image, what's the source of the audio? What do you want to play? So I found some audio for us to play around today, and I'm going to post in the Zoom chat the link. So you're going to copy that, and we're going to use it for the source of this audio. Okay, let's go here and add src, like the image. I'm going to paste that link to the audio file. Now I'm going to click run. I'm going to click play. I don't know if you can hear in the recording. I can hear some audio when I click play. So you can change the source to whatever audio you find on the internet. Nice. So that's pretty much it. If you want more information about the audio tag, just look it up in your search engine, HTML space audio, and you'll learn about other attributes and features. But that's the most basic one. So HTML is pretty much like this. It's always a tag. There are some attributes. And that's how you build the whole document. Just combine them together and you build your own page.